Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you want to be Santa, if you really want to be Santa, this is the premier costume to get here. This is Christmas something, I don't know. But it is by Gardentime, and it is a Santa costume. It's going to have the hat, jacket, belt, gloves, pants, gift bag, boot covers, glasses, wig, and beard. So it's got Santa everything. So let's try these on, and I'll show you guys what it is. So let me get everything out of the bag here. I don't know why I'm doing this on my hood of my car, but we'll figure this out here. So here is the pants. Oh man, these are like felt and super comfy. If you want some super comfy looking, super comfy pants. So let's do this here. This will go over my existing pants. And then we have the boot cover here. So these are, make it look fancy here. And it's got a little string on the bottom there to kind of keep it so it won't ride up. So there's that. I'll put on my shoes here. Let me just flip up these. Not that you'd wear Crocs, but this will give you an idea of what it looks like. There. There we go. Okay. Then we have our Santa outfit here. So here we go. Am I starting to look familiar? Ooh, look at that. Goes down kind of nice there. We have a bag of accessories, right? Is that everything else out of the inside here? Oh, no. We have a belt here. Everything's sliding down my car. Okay, so we have a belt. It says size large. Santa's a large fellow. I'm the skinniest Santa this year. So you'll see. Okay, so it goes in there, in here, and there. So there we have our Santa belt. And let's see what we got going on in this little bag of extra goodies. So here is glasses, gloves, and my face. Let's see how do we open this up and keep it nice. There we go. It's in some sort of mesh. How do we get that mesh off? Oh, here we go. There, now it's out of the mesh. And we have our hair. There's Santa's hair, and we have Santa's face. Hopefully I'm starting to look familiar. We have a hat. And we have our gloves. Oh, and we have a bag. So let's put this gloves on first. So we're getting there. Hopefully I'm looking pretty good. Holy mackerel, I look like Santa Claus. Okay. It's actually got a hole so I can breathe through here. That's actually nice. Thought it was gonna be so hot, but it's not as bad as I thought. I'm a little bit scraggly, but it's not straight. I need to mess with the hair and stuff, but you get the idea. And then I have my gift bag. So I can come in the morning with all my gifts and everything in the gift bag, and I am Santa Claus. Hey, check me out. Oops, there go my glasses. Probably need to bend them to fit a little better. There we go. So there's me with my glasses and my thing. This is what I look like up close. How cool is this? With my hat on and everything. So this is sweet. I'm Santa. This is the greatest costume ever. Look at that. Super cool. Super comfy. I'm not even hot in it, so it's good. So totally good. If you have a party you're going to and you need to be Santa, this is the costume to get. So totally good. Thumbs up for sure. I love it. Love it.